Elon Musk did not become a billionaire by following traditional money advice. In fact, many of his financial decisions looked irrational to outsiders at the time. While others focused on stability, diversification, and comfort, Musk focused on one defining habit that guided every decision he made with money. This habit was not about saving aggressively or chasing profits. It was about alignment, placing money only where it could multiply impact over long periods. Musk repeatedly put nearly everything he had into ideas he believed would shape the future. This habit allowed him to move faster, stay focused, and survive moments that would have ended most careers. Understanding this habit explains why Musk could lose fortunes, reinvest after failure, and remain committed through uncertainty. It is uncomfortable, demanding, and risky, but it is also the foundation that allowed his wealth, influence, and leverage to compound far beyond conventional paths. If you want to understand how billionaires actually think about money, not surface-level advice like subscribe and share this video. Elon Musk's success wasn't luck or shortcuts. It came from a repeatable habit that shaped every major financial decision he made. Stay till the end to understand how this habit works and why it matters. The core habit: concentrating money. Where conviction is highest, Elon Musk's defining money habit is concentration with conviction. Instead of spreading money across many safe options, Musk places capital where he believes long-term impact and value are greatest. This is not reckless gambling. It is focused belief backed by understanding. When Musk sold PayPal, he reinvested nearly all his wealth into Tesla and SpaceX, companies widely expected to fail. This habit magnifies results because focus builds momentum. Concentration allows deeper problem solving, faster iteration, and stronger alignment. Musk avoids half commitments. His money follows his mission. While this habit increases short-term risk, it creates enormous leverage over time. By aligning money with conviction, Musk ensures each dollar contributes toward exponential outcomes rather than incremental gains. This habit explains why his successes appear extreme, because his commitment always was. Musk invests in missions, not returns. Musk does not begin with profit projections. He begins with missions that matter. Electric transportation, space exploration, and sustainable energy were unpopular and uncertain when he invested heavily. Musk believed that solving massive problems would eventually create massive value. This habit allows him to tolerate long timelines and public doubt. Many investors chase returns without understanding purpose. Musk reverses the equation. He chooses missions with global relevance and trusts that value will follow. This clarity filters distractions and weak opportunities. When money serves a mission, decisions become simpler and stronger. Musk's focus keeps him committed during volatility while others retreat. Over time, mission-driven capital attracts talent, partners, and momentum. This alignment multiplies results beyond what short-term profit chasing can achieve. He reinvests instead of extracting. One of Musk's most unusual habits is reinvestment. Rather than extracting wealth for lifestyle upgrades, he puts capital back into growth. Musk has repeatedly injected personal funds into his companies during their most fragile moments. This habit strengthens businesses when failure is most likely. Reinvestment compounds control and resilience. Many entrepreneurs weaken their ventures by prioritizing comfort too early. Musk delays comfort to accelerate scale. This discipline keeps momentum alive while competitors slow down. Reinvestment also signals confidence, attracting additional capital and trust. This habit is not about sacrifice, it is about leverage. Musk understands that early extraction limits future upside. By keeping money working inside the system, he increases ownership, influence, and long-term impact. Musk accepts volatility to avoid stagnation. Musk is comfortable with financial volatility because he fears stagnation more than instability. Stable but slow systems rarely produce breakthroughs. His habit allows temporary discomfort in exchange for long-term acceleration. This mindset enables decisions others avoid. Volatility becomes manageable when conviction is strong. Musk does not panic during downturns because his focus is execution, not perception. This habit prevents emotional reactions to market noise. Instead of exiting during uncertainty, he doubles down on problem solving. Over time, this tolerance for volatility allows him to remain invested when others quit. These moments often produce the greatest leverage. Musk's wealth grew not because he avoided uncertainty, but because he stayed committed through it. He bets on himself before systems. Musk consistently prioritizes self-belief over external validation. Instead of relying on financial systems, guarantees, or advisors for reassurance, he trusts his ability to solve problems. This habit creates independence. When systems fail or markets shift, Musk adapts instead of freezing. Betting on oneself does not mean ignoring risk, it means trusting execution ability. This mindset enables faster decisions and higher confidence under pressure. Many people diversify because they doubt their judgment. Musk concentrates because he trusts his problem solving. Over time, self-belief compounds like capital. His success reflects confidence built through action, not optimism, without effort. He delays personal rewards. Unlike many wealthy individuals, Musk delays personal gratification. He avoids luxury lifestyles and channels resources back into work. This habit preserves focus and flexibility. By delaying rewards, Musk increases optionality. Money stays adaptable instead of locked into consumption. This approach reinforces discipline and long-term positioning. Early indulgence weakens leverage. Musk understands that restraint creates freedom. Keeping expenses low relative to potential allows aggressive reinvestment. This habit is uncomfortable but powerful. Delayed rewards increase future choice. Musk's lifestyle reflects priority alignment. Resources serve goals, not ego. Musk treats money as fuel, not security. Musk does not view money as safety. He views it as fuel. This perspective changes behavior completely. Instead of hoarding capital, he deploys it toward progress. Idle money provides comfort, but money in motion creates momentum. Musk's willingness to spend capital on innovation accelerates timelines. This habit reduces fear of loss because money has purpose. Security comes from capability, not savings. Treating money as fuel allows faster movement than competitors constrained by caution. Capital becomes a tool, not an identity. This mindset frees decision-making and enables bold execution. He thinks in systems, not transactions. Elon Musk evaluates money decisions based on system-wide impact rather than isolated transactions. Each investment is designed to strengthen a larger ecosystem. Tesla supports energy storage and grid resilience. SpaceX supports satellite networks and global connectivity. This systems thinking multiplies the value of every dollar deployed. Instead of chasing individual wins, Musk builds interlocking advantages. Money becomes connective tissue rather than a series of one-off bets. This habit prevents short-sighted decisions that produce temporary gains but weaken long-term positioning. Systems compound because improvements in one area reinforce others. Over time, this approach creates resilience competitors struggle to match. Musk's wealth expanded not just because his companies succeeded, but because they strengthened each other. Thinking in systems turns capital into leverage instead of isolated risk. Musk learns faster than he spends. Before Musk commits money, he commits to learning. He studies deeply, asks uncomfortable questions, and challenges assumptions across disciplines. This habit reduces blind risk. Knowledge lowers uncertainty and improves decision quality. Musk does not outsource understanding, he internalizes it. Whether it is rocket science, battery chemistry, or manufacturing processes, learning precedes spending. This approach allows bold moves without recklessness. Learning speed compounds confidence. The more Musk understands, the more decisively he allocates capital. Over time, this habit separates him from investors who rely on surface information. Money follows understanding, not trends. By learning faster than he spends, Musk protects capital while enabling aggressive action. This discipline allows conviction to be informed, not emotional. He accepts failure as a cost of scale. Musk expects failure and plans mentally for it. This habit removes fear from decision-making. Failures are treated as data, not defeat. Rocket explosions, production delays, and financial losses did not stop Musk because he separated identity from outcomes. Accepting failure allows faster recovery and reinvestment. Instead of retreating, Musk extracts lessons and moves forward. This mindset accelerates progress while others hesitate. Failure becomes tuition rather than trauma. Over time, lessons accumulate while competitors stall. By normalizing failure, Musk avoids paralysis. Money continues flowing toward improvement instead of retreat. This habit enables scale because growth always involves error. Those who fear failure limit themselves. Musk uses it to move faster. Musk avoids comfort-based diversification. Musk does not diversify for emotional comfort. He diversifies only when it strengthens the system. Comfort-based diversification dilutes focus and accountability. Musk's habit prioritizes clarity over safety. Concentration increases responsibility. When everything matters, execution improves. Diversifying to feel safe often weakens results. Musk accepts pressure because it sharpens performance. This discipline explains why his outcomes appear extreme. Comfort rarely creates breakthroughs. Focus does. By avoiding unnecessary diversification, Musk ensures attention, capital, and effort remain aligned. This creates depth instead of dilution. Over time, concentrated focus produces results that scattered effort cannot match. Time horizons guide. Every decision Musk thinks in decades, not quarters. His money decisions reflect long-term impact rather than immediate validation. Long-time horizons absorb volatility and reduce emotional reactions. Short horizons magnify fear. By extending the timeline, Musk allows systems to mature and compound. This habit simplifies decision-making. If something does not matter long-term, it is ignored. Time alignment preserves energy and capital. Many people fail because they judge decisions too early. Musk waits. This patience is not passive, it is deliberate. Long horizons turn uncertainty into opportunity. Over time, this mindset compounds results others abandon too soon. The habit works because it is uncomfortable. Musk's money habit is difficult to copy because it demands discomfort, patience, and conviction. Most people prefer safety, approval, and predictability. Musk accepts isolation and uncertainty. This habit filters competition. Few people can sustain concentrated risk long enough to see exponential results. That is why it works. Discomfort discourages imitation. Wealth compounds where discipline persists. Musk's approach requires emotional resilience, delayed gratification, and deep belief. Most abandon it early, those who don't gain extraordinary leverage. The habit's difficulty is its strength. What is uncomfortable for many becomes opportunity for the few who endure it. Elon Musk did not build wealth by following common financial advice. He built it by aligning money with conviction, focus, and long-term impact. His defining habit, concentrating capital where belief is strongest, allowed him to move faster, endure longer, and compound influence beyond conventional limits. This approach is not easy, safe, or comfortable, but it explains why Musk could lose fortunes, rebuild, and keep going when others would stop. For him, money was never about security. It was about progress. Those who understand this habit don't just manage money differently, they think differently, and over time, that difference compounds into extraordinary outcomes.